Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, like you saw from the thumbnail, okay. So today, like you can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to do a grocery shopping haul for you guys. So let's go. We are now back home and let me show you what I got. We have 3 full bags and our bill was like 1700 something, but let's see. So this is bag number 1. Let's see what we have. The first thing I see is this seedless grapes. I think it was for 125 or something. Actually I already tried one. It was too sour. So let's see how we can empty this. So this is the first item. Then next one is kiwi. So one kiwi was for 25 rupees and we bought 3, and kiwi is my favorite fruit, so please be good. So the next item I can see here is we have some lemon. Oops. We have some lemon. We are thinking of making mint lime mojito, so wait for that. I'll post that soon. So the next thing we have in this cover is some green chili. Of course we want it for our kitchen, right?
People will think that is empty bag.
Green chili. I'll show you, see some green chili. So the next item we have is cluster beans. One second, let me show you. Cluster beans look something like this, and this is called chaulikai in Kannada. The next thing we have is some strawberries. I love strawberries, man, and this was actually pretty cheap. It was like 59 for this box, and I think it's okay only. So we bought some strawberries. The next thing we have is capsicum. We have some capsicum here. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so the next thing we have is some garlic. Next we have beans. Just look at this, they look pretty nice, right? Wow! So we got some beans. Next we have some onion. This is like 1 kg of them and it was like 25 rupees. Pretty affordable. So pretty, not pretty, it is affordable of course. And the next thing we have is some banana.
Oh yeah!
Banana. The next thing we have is Sprite. Just like I said for lemon, that we're planning to make lemon mint mojito. So we have some Sprite for that. The next thing I can see is my favorite, gooseberries.
Yay!
Me and my roommate GD Diksha, we love gooseberries, so that's the reason. And the next thing we have is some sweet potato. My roommate said that this tastes really good if you boil it and eat it. And I also know that my dad back at home, he makes podi, so that is also yummy. The next thing and the last thing in this bag is sugar, and we got it for free. Can you believe? So they had this, we went to KPN Fresh, by the way, if I have not mentioned. So they had this offer going on that if you shop for 1000 rupees you'll get this sugar free, and of course we overdid 1000 rupees, so we had to make 2 bills for that. One is 1000 something and then one more was 600 something. So yeah, we got sugar for free. Thank you, KPN. So bag number 1 is officially done. Let's move on to bag number 2. So yeah, this is our bag number 2. So the first thing I can see is some mint here. Again, like I said, we are going to make mint lemon mojito for that. Guys, please no nazar. I really hope our mint lemon mojito tastes amazing. The next bag in this is this one that contains tomato. In our house, tomato and onion, they are the most used vegetables. But wait, is tomato a fruit? I don't know, whatever it is. So the next thing is curd, mosaru. The next thing in this bag is oops. This is Mr. Papaya. If you really like papaya, please comment down that you like it, okay? Let's see. I don't know. I don't like it at all, but my dad loves it. Like a lot. He doesn't go a day without eating papaya. So this is papaya. And I think my roommates like it as well. The next thing. Like, can you believe I have this? Wow! It's like half of my size. This is so funny. We saw this, it was like 22 per kg, okay? So a little story time. 22 per kg. We were like, oh my god, 22 per kg, that's so good. And then I think out of all the watermelons there, we bought the smallest one because it might be difficult for us to carry. Like we were thinking, we are 3 people, how can we carry it? Because we obviously bought a lot. So we took this one and we are like, I think Gatti, my roommate, one of my roommates, she was like, I think it might be 3 kgs. So we were like, okay, fine, 3 kgs. And then, can you believe, when we weighed this was 6 kgs. Like, can you believe we carried this all the way from the supermarket to our house? Like 6 kgs. I don't know how many days it will take for us to finish this, but we found this home. So good luck to us. So this is end of bag 2. Moving on to bag number 3. And like you can hear, chut, 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 chut. This bag is, don't see already, wait. This bag is like kind of filled with snacks. Don't judge us, guys. This is on a monthly basis. We buy monthly groceries and we are 4 people in the house, so it's not me eating all of them, okay? Like, okay, so let me do it. And one more disclaimer that most of them were buy one get one free, and if you take one it's like 50% off. If you take 2 it's like buy one get one free. So who stops yourself when you have offers? Like, even you guys will do it if you go, okay? So let's start. So the first thing in this bag is Tex-Mex nacho chips. The last time we bought this, it was really yummy, so we bought it again. So this is the first item from this bag. The second item is 2 Yum Indian masala chips. This was also like 50% off, so we had to get this. The next one you can see is boot chips, 2 Yum boot chips. My roommate GD Diksha, she loves this a lot. Like, she really likes it. So of course we had to get this. Then the next one is another flavor in Mexican chili of Tex-Mex nacho chips. I love nachos. Like, I love it so much. So this is another flavor in the same thing. The next one here I can see is some potato chips, the wafer chips by 2 Yum. This was also 50% off, so we got this. And the next one here is some palm oil. So this is from this brand called Ruchi Gold. Again, a small story time. We wanted this oil for our cooking. When we went there, you know what we did? We saw so many different brands, and then we're like, let's buy the one that's cheapest. And this one. So today Ruchi Gold had to come back home with us, so we got this. The next one in this bag is vermicelli. So this one by MTR. The next one is some tapioca chips. Again 50% off, so we had to get this. This is from the brand called Sanjay Condiments. Tapioca chips. The next one we have some instant incense sticks. We have a small Devaramane in our house, mandir or a God's place. So this is for that. The next one from this bag is some rasam powder. The next one is some groundnuts. This is KPN fresh groundnuts. We tried it few times. They were good, so we bought this again. The next one in this is some urad dal, whole dal. See, we do masala dosa and idli quite often. So this is like one of the what do you call it? Pulses. Pulses. It comes in pulses. That those I don't know. Whatever. One of the item that is most used in our house. So we got this. And the next item is some coriander powder, MTR coriander powder. Next item is some soap. This is Surf Excel soap, cloth washing soap. So we got this. And the final item is dosa rice, dosa akki. We make neer dosa and like I said masala dosa a lot. So we bought that. And that's all. So this was our grocery haul. That's it for this video. I hope you really liked it. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye. Love you.